Guys, Gustavo here. So right now I'm gonna do a quick end-to-end demo on how to create a Klipbit account and how to transfer USDC from any existing wallet or exchange into your Klipbit account, and then how you can convert that into Bitcoin, native Bitcoin in the Bitcoin blockchain, which is unfreezable and which you can withdraw without any fees to your cold storage if you have a cold wallet. If you are a founding member, you get that with probably the cheapest price in the market. You can double check it for yourself. Let's go. So first, download the application, open it for the first time, next, and create account. So I will use a alias. I will put a easy password. Don't worry, this account will be deleted. It's just for the demo. So not a problem that you guys are seeing my password. So now I get a confirmation email. There it is. And now we are creating the account. So what we're doing here is actually declaring the wallet in the blockchain, and then we will be sending the encrypted email information, encrypted password to the database, so that you guys have the convenience of logging in just with an email and password instead of using your 12-word passphrase. So it's encrypted on your device. It never gets sent to our service without being encrypted. Okay. So here we have the main screen, which is a USDC asset screen. So you can consider this a checkings account, for example. And in Klipbit, we use the Solana blockchain. So what you're going to have here are four currencies, we can say, or in this case, it would be 4 tokens because we're talking about cryptocurrencies. Basically, you have USDC. There's an explanation of what each asset is exactly. If you click the plus info button, you can check them out later in your own time. And then you can also access the settings. You will see multiple choices of languages. We have 15 or 16 languages. You can have a little bit of a bigger font size if you prefer. We have a dark theme for users who prefer that as well, and also a large choice of currencies in which you can view your assets. For those who will only use USDC, you can also hide the other assets that you have, and this way you will only have USDC. It's really a user preference. And then you have support, but most importantly, you have transaction history, a way to scan and pay and to request payments, which we'll use right now. And then you have the portfolio view, where you have the global view of your account and the total assets that you have in the different currencies or tokens, right? And the interesting thing here is the vault, which is actually a different blockchain, but which we have we show together in the portfolio. And then you can simply convert your USDC to native Bitcoin. And this is what we're going to show now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy my receive address just by clicking copy. You can see the address right there. And then I'm going to go to my Phantom wallet, which I pre-funded with some USDC for this demo. So we're going to click send USDC, allow paste. Now I'm going to paste my newly created wallet address. We're going to max this out, and we're going to send myself $61, almost $62 worth of USDC. Done. Normally, within a few seconds, it should show in our, yes, there you go, in our Klipbit wallet. So you've just seen our first transfer. In a few seconds, what exactly should appear right there. So now what we're going to do is convert this USDC into real Bitcoin. And it's very simple to do. You just have to click the portfolio, open the vault, click add, and then you choose the amount of Bitcoin that you want to convert. You get a quote, you click convert, and that's it. It takes a while because the Bitcoin network original is a bit slow, so that's normal. That's just how it is. So I'm going to click, I max it out, get a quote. Let's get an updated quote. There you go. And now I'm going to convert my USDC to Bitcoin. Now, the Klipbit fee is 0.9%, so this is the standard fee. If you are a founding member, the Klipbit fees will be 0. You only pay the protocol fees, in which case this is probably the cheapest way, one of the cheapest ways in the world to convert USDC to Bitcoin. So if you are a Klipbit founding member, this is what you get. Go to our website, check it out. Oh, took too long. Let's do this again. Up. I'm not sure what happened here. Let's clear this up. Get quote. And confirm conversion. So this process is a process through which the USDC is being sent to our partner protocol, who is going to then convert your USDC into Bitcoin and deposit this in your vault address, which is inside your Klipbit wallet. Okay, so this is a relatively slow process. It can take a while. So yeah, this is the end of the demo, and then in a few minutes, sometimes 10-15 minutes, and then the amount will show in the vault. I will update that in a few moments, and then I'll put a capture of the screen with the updated address because it's a slow process. Thank you guys very much.